Now, activate cell I-19 to round that digits 9, 8 to nearest integer or nearest 10. I insert round function within sum function. When digits 9, 8 round to nearest 10, you will see the next digit 27 changes to 28. In formula bar, click after the equal sign. Type round, open parenthesis, type comma, press 1, close parenthesis, press enter. Now you can see the digits 9, 8 rounded to nearest 10. Now activate cell I-23 to round that digit 77 to nearest integer or nearest 10. I insert round function within median function. After inserting the round function, you will see the digits 77 rounded to nearest 10 or nearest integer 80. In formula bar, after the equal sign, type round, open parenthesis, comma, type 1, close parenthesis, press enter. Now you can see the digits 77 is rounded to digits 80. In this way, by using these rules, you can round digits in Excel worksheet.